Traders, 30-minute chart on First Solar. Big down move, consolidation, a break higher today. So to hedge this trade, to hedge our risk, we're looking at the $200 calls, which we picked up at $7.50. $7 is the low. So we are hedged now with the $200 call. Let us not forget that on the website and on the channel, we have a big downtrend in First Solar. Look at the big drop yesterday on this. This is a 30-minute view that you can see right up here at 225. Down it went. Then here's the consolidation. Then we have a breakout. So we'll hedge it with the $200 call against our big gainers in the put options. That way we can't lose money because the puts are paying a tremendous amount of money on the $200 call hedge against our puts on FSLR.